Hi my dear friends, this is Taz from taslimamayaart. Welcome to my channel of mixed media and fluid art creations. It's great to have you here. If you're new, please do check out my other videos, as most of them are tutorials and step-by-step for beginners. And don't forget to hit those like, share and subscribe buttons, and do leave me a comment. I love hearing from you. So folks, I'm super excited to have the honor to kick off the Fluidartexpress Christmas special today. And this is the lineup. We've got some amazing guest artists over 2 entire days, and you can find a link to the playlists in my description box below. So please do go check out everybody and join us for the live chats. It's going to be lots of fun and games. My contribution is this beautiful paint pour over a 34cm width wooden snowflake decoration with added glitter. I really hope you like it. I'll be using the ribbon pour technique for the very first time. Hi guys, so today for the Fluid Art Christmas special, I'm going to be painting on, not the Christmas decorations, not the baubles, but this beautiful wooden snowflake. And this is what it looks like, and that's the profile. And you can see that it's quite sturdy, and I bought it from a local craft store, and I can't wait to be painting this. I'm going to be using some beautiful Christmassy frosty colours, so colours like sapphire, this glitterific glitter paint possibly, white pearl, and aquamarine. These are extreme sheen paints and deco art and pebeo, as well as this one is folk art, and we've got lots of glitter as well. I've got some stones here that I might or might not use. I'm also going to use some beautiful white glitter as well. These are different sized glitters, and I'm going to be painting this wonderful wooden plaque. So let's get to it. So let's get started. I'm going to show you how I quickly mix up the paint. I'm going to add a little bit of my sapphire extreme sheen into a little silicone cup, and I'm going to mix up my colours just to make sure that I get a nice unique colour. And I've got a bit of iridescent blue green by Pebeo, and I love this colour. I'm going to mix that in with much thicker, and you can see how much I've got there, a bit. Then once I've done that, I'm just going to add a little bit of glue. Let's add the glue to this. And this is craft PVA, it's relatively thick. I'm putting 2 parts glue to 1 part paint, maybe a little bit more. There we go. I think that should be enough, and I am literally eyeballing it. And then after I've done that, I'm going to add a little bit of my Liquitex pouring medium, a dash of this in. So like I said, just a dash. That's enough. A squirt of that. I'll get my stirring stick and I'll start mixing this up. And I'm going to leave it overnight and paint tomorrow, so I'm just going to make sure that it's fully incorporated into the glue and the water. And I'm going to add a dash of water to this to thin it right down to consistency, because it is really, really thick. You can see at the present moment it's way too thick. You can see that, right? It's so thick. It's too thick even for a bloom consistency. So now I'm going to add some water. So very quickly, you can see it's mega thick. I'm just adding a tiny bit of water. There we go. Trickle of water, and I'm going to stir it in slowly. And keep stirring it until it's all incorporated. What I could have done is added the water to the glue to begin with to make this process easier. But nevertheless, you can see already it's getting thinner. And add a bit more water until I get it to the pouring consistency. So I'm using Artesa's Pearl Electric Blue mixed with Pebeo's Prussian Blue Hue, and I'm going to mix up that colour in here in exactly the same way. So I'm just going to add this glitterific into my paint pot, which I've mixed up. You can see this glitter, if you can focus on it. Wow, it's beautiful. I'm going to add that in and hope that it doesn't change the consistency too much, but if it does, I'll add some water. I might also add glitter over the top of the dried result and see what that looks like. And finally, I'm going to put in the last colour, which is this one, White Pearl by Deco Art, into this one. Okay, welcome back everybody. So we've got all our colours mixed, so we're going to do a ribbon pour today, and it's the first time I've ever done a ribbon pour. I watched a couple of videos and I kind of get the gist of it. So I've got my paint, and you can see that, hopefully you can see that, how that looks. So it's relatively thick, and I've got my pearl white here, DecoArt and Pebeo. I've got a titanium white from Pebeo, and I've got this beautiful silver colour, which is Pebeo Iridescent Silver. Just quickly show you that, and they're all the same consistency. They're relatively thick. I wanted them to be relatively thick. And I've got this beautiful colour, which is the Sapphire from DecoArt, mixed in with some tube paints, which I showed you already. And I've got this darker colour, which is a mixture of a couple of different colours, but I've added glitter to this, as you know. So you can see it's falling slightly differently because of the glitter in it. And that was the glitterific glitter that I added to that. So we're going to make a start. So there's two ways of doing a ribbon pour. I can use one of these, which is a split cup, and you've got various different types of split cup. That's a two-way one, four-way one, with 4 compartments, 3 compartments. So I'm going to quickly move these aside. You can get many compartments on these, and I have used one of these before in one of my videos, but today we're going to actually layer our cups. I'm going to use this cup, and it's a silicone cup. I'm going to layer this cup up with my paints. So let's move my paints to the side now. And I'll just grab my wooden hanging snowflake decoration. I'm going to place it here. So I'm going to use my titanium white really to put a base coat on which I will put the rest of my colours. So I'm going to put some on and use a palette knife really to give it a base coat. And it is relatively thick. I'm trying not to waste too much paint. As you know, paint can be quite expensive, especially in the economic climate we live in at the minute. And I don't like wastage anyway, so let's just get as much of this onto here as possible. I get a little palette knife and I'm just going to simply spread it over. And I have masked off the back of this, which I probably should have shown you. I've masked off the back of this wooden plaque. And I'm just going to make sure everything is covered, so I'll come back to you in a minute. Okay guys, let's get the show on the road. So we've got our cup, and we've got it covered. I'm just going to quickly there's any bubbles, and I'm going to start layering my cup. So let's do that, and I'm going to start with this light blue. Actually, do I need a cup this big? I probably don't. I'll probably get a smaller cup, actually. So let's do it with this one and see how it goes. I know it's a little bit too small, but like I said, there's not much surface space, so we're just going to pour this in. Colour with the glitter. I'm not sure if this will pour very well because the glitter chunks are really quite big, but we'll see what happens, right? I'm going to add my silver, and I don't want to add too much silver because metallic, and it might take over, I don't know really. I've never done a ribbon pour before, so this is pretty fun seeing what's likely to happen when I pour this cup out. And we'll go back again and add some more of this beautiful shimmery colour. I'm going to keep doing this until I get to the top. Hope I don't drop anything onto my
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that...
So time for my first ever ribbon pour. Wish me luck. Right, how should we do it? I'll just go straight over, I think.
Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate.
So now I'm trying to get as much paint off this as possible so there's no issues afterwards, such as cracking. And it's relatively easy to get it off this shape. So I'll come back when I finished tilting it. Let me just pause. So I'm just going to torch it now. You can see how beautiful that already looks. But we're going to do a bit more to it. I'm going to get some more colour. And I'm going to put some lines over it now because I really like this colour here.
'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you.
There we go. I think that's enough. But maybe one last one, because it's fun. You've got to try this. It's so much fun.
You a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. Love and so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
I'd just like to say thank you to all of you for watching my videos and supporting me so much. I really do appreciate it. Hit that like, share and subscribe if you enjoyed this one. And I hope to hear off you in the comments. So that's it, folks. I had a lovely time creating this one, playing around with iridescent glitter and doing my first ever ribbon pour. I really hope you enjoyed watching. Up after me on the Fluid Art Express Christmas special is my wonderfully talented friend and artist, ACRYLIC from France. See you there!